Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. It's
I will ask you for some questions. Tell me about yourself.
okay, my name is I am 29 years old, and I just graduated from university, and I have some experiences in a military group.
What do you know about this company?
Next company provide a service as in the security service, I mean, and you can hire software to protect the things.
Why do you want to work for this company?
As I told you, I have experience in the military group, so I just want to challenge myself because I love challenges, and I guess this company is suited to me. That's suited.
Okay. What are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strength, I can work under pressure, and my weakness, as long as I'm not in hunger, I mean I'm not hungry, I will work hard.
Last question for me. What are your salary expectations?
Expectations is the $20 per week is enough.
If that's enough, good.
Okay.
You can work tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.